In this video, we will talk about the Hide WordPress default fields. First, go to User Meta Settings. Then, the Backend Profile menu. Here, you can see the Hide WordPress default fields section. Firstly, let me tell you about the purpose of these settings. This option hides your selected field from the default WordPress profile page. This is the user profile page. As we can see, some fields are unnecessary. From the User Meta Backend settings, you can hide them and customize your backend profile only with the necessary information. Simply, click the fields that you don't want to display on the user profile page. And don't forget to save the changes. After done with the selection, let's check the user page. You will see your user page fully effective without unnecessary fields. You can also add extra fields to the backend profile page. We have a video on that. The link is in the description. This way, you can customize your backend profile. Thank you for watching.